dance. A dancing car. A dancing car.
Oh, and he's turning. That sucks.
I want to go there too.
Let's go.
Home Depot time.
Come, Sophia.
We're gonna buy paint. We are going to buy paint and we're gonna rent.
Oh, Nay, if you want, if gusto mo pinturahan yung condo mo, buy the color that you want for your condo for Paul's room.
Yeah.
So at least isa lang.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, I want the.
They make you sign a form when you're working.
You're right.
Oh,
Yeah, no.
Oh, now it's something else.
New cookie oatmeal. Cookie oatmeal. No, if there is a video that's gonna happen, would you allow yourself to be videoed?
Hard.
Guys, order with the 2 McFlurries, Oreo Smarties with water, or is coffee and a coffee frap?
Thank you so much.
Perfect. Well, that makes it $16.35 for today.
Card, please.
Card, please.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you again. Very professional. Quick, easy, straight to the point.
Let's see if the orders are right.
Now, if it's accurate.
Then that's when you see that it's accurate. I don't really. Yeah.
I grew up playing Jake in
Hey, Jake, Sophia, look. This is the school we go to.
Is it the one?
Yeah. Well, we go from the other side.
Is it open?
It's open.
On the
There's
other
no
side?
locks. Yeah, everything's open. What is it called? What's the name? West Preparatory Junior.
They go there night for a playground.
Oh, so is this Butters?
Will be soon.
I don't understand this thing.
What's this thing? The GPS?
Yeah.
Me too. It's like taking me to a tour.
Yeah.
So why don't you follow whatever you
Your
want to do?
instinct.
Because I don't know where it is.
I told you, Nay, that's a tatay way.
So where is Butters here? Somewhere here?
Almost.
Ang gaganda ng bahay dito, no?
Forest Hill.
Forest Hill, yeah. You're actually in a rich neighborhood then.
It's quiet there.
This is the street, the sidewalk that Sophia goes to.
Yeah.
Now the car stopped.
Which
for
one?
her.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
down
yeah.
there.
Sophia in the
Sophia
car.
in the car.
Because
Because they think that she's crossing.
They think she's crossing, but she's just on the sidewalk. That's a nice house. Oh, Nay, pag dumadaan ito si Jackie, sabi niya, if I win the lottery, I'm gonna buy one of the houses here.
Oh, yung nanalo ng ano?
Jackie?
Filipino,
Jackie!
80 million.
Yeah.
That's crazy, Nay, right?
Yes, Jake.
3
Yes,
years lang
Jake.
siya
What if
dito
you
sa
win the
Canada.
What if you win the 3 billion in pesos?
Yeah.
Yes, Jake.
Magpapatayo
You're
raw
saying
muna
Jake.
siya ng bahay sa Vancouver and then he's gonna go to the Philippines and he's
hear you while
gonna
they're talking.
he's gonna
I
help
can't hear
people
myself.
to build
It's probably
houses.
gonna be his vacation home here.
Yeah, magpapatayo man. Alam mo, sabi niya ganun, parang kamukha ng winning number ko Tapos bumaba siya to confirm it is true.
And it was just a quick pick.
Yeah, oh my God. Alam mo ba dun sa college?
Yeah.
Every Tuesday yan and Thursday $2.
Oh, Jackie,
Hindi kami
how much
naniniwala.
did you guys want?
Is she still replaying it?
Oh, still a replay again?
Well, I gave her $5 on this yesterday.
They're doing a group play
Oh,
at is Chuck doing it?
I don't know. The White Lotus.
Which one?
Oh, dito yung muntik na akong nakalipat.
Basta?
60, yeah. Nag-down na nga ako eh. Pero nakuha ako pabalik. 900.
Oh, for a room.
For 1 bedroom. Maganda naman siya.
Oh, but that was a long time ago na.
Yeah, before lumipat ako sa... Marami ako nalipat.
Because I don't think there's a 900 one bedroom.
930.
That was maybe 5 years ago.
Nung mahilig mag No, ano ako eh, ang rule, you have to file income tax.
Bakit hindi ba
At
siya
least 5
nagpa-file?
years. Yeah, so kaya final ko yung income tax niya, 8,000 ang babayaran namin.
Wait, hindi siya na nagpa-file ng tax.
Since
Paano siya-
2014 yan.
But paano siya na-approve for mortgage?
Hindi naman yan ang ano, yung 2024 T4 lang naman eh.
Oh, they
T4
just
lang.
went for the T4.
Yeah, they just go. Is this your school?
No.
It's just the playground night that they went the other side.
Bakit you going south?
Everything is going across this. I don't know what you're doing.
Continuing
She just did that purposely.
No, baka bad call. You know, sometimes you have bad calls. Sometimes nagugulat na lang ko, hawak-hawak ko yung phone, tinatawagan ko pala si Jack.
4 years at Coughlin.
Oh, 4 years din kayo sa Kaplan. Parang ramdam ko sandali lang kayo doon.
Yeah, it was 4 years now.
That's how I feel about Garrick.
That's why when I met him, it's like, we've only been here for 2 years, Christine.
Yeah.
And then mom said, no, 12 years.
No,
Something.
2003.
13, 10 years. It was 10 years.
13
I
years,
just
14
turned
years
27.
kami din. 2017, 14 years. Alam mo,
Ngayon daw, saan daw tayo pupunta?
oh,
The
we're going to
Cordella.
the
We have
old
to paint
place.
Cordella. And then we're gonna paint the condo maybe next week.
Ang ganda nito. Yeah.
Yeah, before we do Jake's birthday, we're gonna do paint.
It's okay daw, may battery daw. Nasa bahay lang daw yung battery, sabi ni.
We are
OG.
along...
Tinawagan
What
ni
street
OG.
is this? What street is this, you know?
Broadway.
Broadway? Kata naman din
This
pala
is
na.
where
Oh,
Jake's, ano,
alam
school.
ko na. Ikakwento ko sa inyo yung kaibigan kong Korean dito siya nakatira. Oh, lalagpasan na natin.
Dito yung school ni Jake then.
Yeah. Bakit? Malayo?
Yung no, his gifted school.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it was, what do you call it? Not miscommunication because siya yung may mali.
Yeah. No, the guy doesn't know what it is. That's
was
what
training.
happened, you know?
The guy.
Kaya,
The guy that we talked to on the restaurant.
pag may mga customer tapos may bago, nag-aalanganin silang pumunta dun sa bago.
Dapat pag hindi rin iniiwan eh.
Yeah.
Like, hindi mo na iniiwan mag-isa.
Yeah.
Kasi, like, this mistake can happen.
Yeah.
That's
So what can you do? You have to keep moving too.
kahit makapag-argue ka naman din, wala naman mangyayari. All they're gonna say is, I'm sorry, we made a mistake. Mag-spend ka lang ng so much time lagi. Ocean din.
Yeah. Yun daw ang gusto ng tatay niya. Yeah, 91 na siya. 91. Dapat hindi mo i-feel na matanda ka. Ako nga pagising ko sa umaga, ang kirot na naman. Pag tanghali na, nawawala naman na.
Imagine na yung stress mo na yung mga kaibigan mo naman, isa yung mga patay na, namamatay
Yeah, yeah.
na, tapos buhay na buhay ka.
Dito kayo nakatira, di ba? Somewhere here.
Dito ba siya?
Nope.
Elmridge.
I know this area.
This is where you live, Jackie.
Oh,
No.
there ata na yung,
That's where we go to the park.
yeah, dito nga, in the area.
No.
Kasi we just passed by Batters. Alam mo, kahit na nasa Raglan lang kayo, you live in a rich neighborhood. Force you.
Puro aso na eh. They have dogs.
Eh, lalo na sa ano, sa parang nainis
Oh, yung
talaga.
sa'yo sa loob.
Talagang
sa loob ng
pagpasok mo ng ano, amoy mo talaga yung
Nagulat nga
aso.
rin ako na isa sa amenities nyo is paliguan ng aso. Sabi ko, oh.
Pag medyo matagal na ako doon, bibili ako yung katulad ng nilalagay ni Chuck sa mga ano.
Tapos kita mo na yung, pag lumakad, di ba yung parking, yung garage, pababa, yung daan doon ay palabas, nandun yung liguan ng aso. Nasa dulo.
Oh.
Nakikita namin eh. Nung una sabi ko, ano ba to? Bakit may parang shower dito?
Oh.
May, kita siya sa glass eh.
Cambridge.
Tapos nung nakita ko sa, yun pala yun. Talagang ano nila, pet friendly yung condo mo na eh.
Yeah, kaya puro amoy ng ano. Parang nagkamali ako. Minsan hindi mo naman alam,
Hindi
di
mo
ba?
malalaman na eh.
Until, Parang
Yung binili mo nga na yung Saranac, di mo alam yung likod basurahan.
Yeah. Anong street to?
It's... Saan ba yun?
DBP.
I would love to tell you, but the Waze is not on.
So you don't know?
People are painting. Ha? Oh. These are my workers. I pay them by the hour. It's expensive.
No, you pay us by the kilos.
That one.
Where's Paul?
It's stitching. How come the gray is dark gray?
You use your mini brush? You want me to use your mini brush? I can do the edges on the box. Give me it.
And this is the main thing, eh? A lot of construction. This is this room has a walk-in closet. I'm gonna miss this place very much. Yeah, this is my bed. I'm gonna miss my bed too. You have to give it away. That's so unfortunate. And this is my room. It's under construction, guys. So this is dapat pala ng ano. This is Christine redoing the painting. And she did that. She painted it with white. Really good. Thanks, Christine. So finally, this is the final touch. I've been doing this since April 15. And so many things were taken out already. We just have to mow the lawn. Sorry.